Introduction. The National Legal Services Authority has been constituted under the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987 to provide free legal services to the weaker sections of the society and to organize Lok Adalats for amicable state settlement of disputes. Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramana, the Chief Justice of India, is the Patron-in-Chief NALSA, is housed at Supreme Court of India, Tilak, Marg, New Delhi, Delhi. In every state legal services authority has been constituted to give effect to the policies and directions of the NALSA and to give free legal services to the people and conduct Lok Adalats in the state. The State Legal Services Authority is headed by Honorable the Chief Justice of the respective High Court, who is the Patron-in-Chief of the State Legal Services Authority. In every district legal services authority has been constituted to implement legal services programs in the district. The district legal services authority is situated in the district courts complex in every district and chaired by the district judge of the respective district. History of legal movement in India. Legal aid movement in India, its development and present status. Article 390A of the Constitution of India provides that state all secure that the operation of the legal system promotes justice on a basic of equal opportunity and shall in particular provide free legal aid by suitable legislation or schemes or in any other way to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic or other disability. Articles 14 and 22 1 also make it obligatory for the state to ensure equality before law and a legal system which promotes justice on a basis of equal opportunity to all. Legal aid strives to ensure that constitutional pledge is fulfilled in its letter and spirit and equal justice is made available to the poor, downtrodden and weaker sections of the society. The earliest legal aid movement appears to be of the year 1851 when some enactment was introduced in France for providing legal assistance to the indigent. In Britain, the history of the organized efforts on the part of the state to provide legal services to the poor the needy dates back to 1944 when Lord Chancellor Viscount Simon appointed Ruscliffe Committee to inquire about the facilities existing in England and Wales for giving legal advice to the poor and to make recommendations as appear to be desirable for ensuring that persons in need of legal advice are provided the same by the state. Since 1952, the Government of India also started addressing to the question of legal aid for the poor in various conferences of law ministers and law commissions. In 1960, some guidelines were drawn by the government for legal aid schemes in different states. Legal aid schemes were floated through legal aid boards societies and law departments. In 1980, a committee at the national level was constituted to oversee and supervise legal aid programs throughout the country under the chairmanship of Honorable Mr. Justice B.N. Bhagwati, then a judge of the Supreme Court of India. This committee came to be known as Silas Committee for Implementing Legal Aid Schemes and started monitoring legal aid activities throughout the country. The introduction of Lok Adalats added a new chapter to the justice dispensation system of this country and succeeded in providing a supplementary forum to the litigants for conciliatory settlement of their disputes. In 1987, Legal Services Authorities Act was enacted to give a statutory base to legal aid programs throughout the country on a uniform pattern. This act was finally enforced on 9th November 1995 after certain amendments were introduced therein by the Amendment Act of 1994. Honorable Mr. Justice R.N. Misra, the then Chief Justice in India, played a key role in the enforcement of the Act.